Chappy Travel. So I am doing a remote work week, and I am spending my week at Secrets The Vine down here in Cancun in the hotel zone. I'm sure people are gonna ask, what's the seaweed situation? There is a little bit, but not bad. And I'm gonna give you a peek of it here in a little moment. But what I wanted to show you was the room that I get to call home for the next 6 days, because it is pretty awesome. It is a master suite ocean view. And like I said, it is at Secrets The Vine. So if it's something that looks like you want to spend some time at, please let me know, because I would be happy to arrange that for you. So let's take a peek. Okay, here we go. As we enter the master suite, you can see that it has a really nice entrance area here. Full bar area, sink, coffee maker, and then of course the mini fridge that is fully stocked so that you can enjoy beverages. Now this over here is the little living room area. So nice big sofa, TV, and then there is a bathroom off this master area. And I see people are watching. Hi Erica, hi Marta. And so little shower, and then a restroom. And then we go into the formal living room area. Now, this is what's amazing. Check out these views. So if you've ever stayed in the hotel zone, there are what they call a lagoon view, and then there is an ocean view. So what we're looking at right now off of the first section of the balcony is the lagoon view. So this is the backside basically of the resort, and this is where you catch your amazing sunsets at night. It has a really nice dining room table here if you ever want to entertain. And then we are gonna go into where the bedroom area is. So you can see that the balcony continues to wrap this whole long way, and I'm gonna show you a full shot of it as I go out here. Look at this balcony, it's amazing. It is so long. And then I'm gonna walk you around the corner. So we still are looking at the lagoon view. I'm gonna wrap you around, and now you see the ocean. And so there is the ocean side. You can see a tad bit of seaweed, but not too bad. It still looks pretty beautiful and pretty blue. And then another little sitting area. Then I'm gonna walk in here, and this is the master bedroom area. So look at this, check this out. King bed, and then an amazing view to wake up to in the morning. And if you don't want that television blocking your way, check that out. You just make the television go away, and then look at the view that you get to wake up to. How beautiful. So very cool room. And then over here, right off of the master, you're gonna see that there's a nice soaking tub, which again, beautiful view. And then double sink. Look at the shower that has the same amazing view. And you kind of wrap around here on the other side. And here we are, again, looking back into the master bath. So, I'm sure everybody's super jealous that I get to call this my home for this week. So this is an awesome room, and I'm so looking forward to enjoying it for the week. If you have any questions while I'm down here, feel free to shoot me a message, shoot me an email. Happy to answer anything, any questions that you may have. And I hope that you are having an awesome Monday. I have started my week off well. But again, we are at Secrets The Vine in the Master Suite Ocean View. So I look forward to talking to all of you soon. Take care, have a great Monday, and make it a super week.